Hi everyone, welcome back to Smart Engineering Academy. I am here with the continuation of part 1. Yeah, here we'll solve some of the derivations. So this is the case 1, okay? Case 1. Scale of a vertical. Yeah. So this is case 1, scale of a vertical photograph in a flat terrain. Okay? In this case we are taking about flat terrain, and in the case 2 we'll see varying terrain. Now let us say, so this is the ground level. What you can see here, this is the ground level, this is the point where the photograph is taken, and this is the plane of photograph. Okay, what is meant by plane of photograph means, see, the ground level is here. This image, the image which is present, which is formed on this plane, that is called as plane of photograph. Suppose if you are taking a photo, the image what you are going to see, that is going to form on your camera's objective lens, right? So that is what this is. The picture is formed upon this. This is the picture which is taken. This picture is formed on the plane of photograph. Okay, this is the point from where the photograph is taken. This is the photograph which is taken into account. This photograph is formed upon this plane. This is called as plane of photograph. See, all the abbreviation is given here. O is the exposure station. I told you this is the point where station point, and O dash is the ground principal point. Yeah, O dash is here. This is ground principal point. P, photo principal point. P, this is the principal point of photo. This is the O dash is the principal point of ground. I told you what is the difference between the ground level and the plane of photograph. This is the image. This image is going to form upon this plane, that is the plane of photograph. Then A, the point A, point on a ground at a elevation of a HA, about the datum. Okay, this is a point on the ground. This is the point A. I am showing you point on the ground at a height HA from the datum level. Then small a, object point on a photo plane. This is the object point on a photo plane. F is the focal length of the camera lens. This is F, focal length of the camera lens. H dash, playing right above the ground level. Okay, this is the ground level, and this is what you call as flying height, right? So this is playing right above the ground level. This can be taken as H dash. H is the playing right above the datum. From datum to here, this is H. All the abbreviation is given here. Now the main thing, we need to find the scale. Okay, scale of a photograph is defined as the ratio of, okay, scale is the ratio of photo distance divided by ground distance. Okay, while deriving this, you people will be clear about all the concepts. Photo distance, you can see the photo distance and the ground distance. Okay, to find the scale, for it is defined as the ratio of photo distance and ground distance. So S, it is represented in terms of S. S is equal to PA. Okay, PA, this is the photo distance. I told you, photo, and the ground distance is O dash A. From here to here, this is ground distance. From here to here, this is photo distance, that is O dash A. Right? Yeah, this thing I'll write it here. Okay, I need some space to complete the derivation. Next, make use of similar triangle concept. Similar triangle concept. I'll make use of this triangle, and I'll apply the equation for similar triangle concept. So that is from here to OP divided by OO dash will be equal to PA, this PA divided by this distance. O dash A. This is how the relationship has been built by the concept which is called as similar triangle concept, right? So what is P and O dash A? This can be written it as scale, right? A scale is represented in terms of S. So this is S. S will be equal to OP divided by OO dash. Okay, understood how it came? So this PA by O dash A, PA by O dash A is scale. This complete term I had taken it as scale, that is S, that is OP by OO dash. Then similarly, I'll just take S is equal to, what is OP? Just see here. What is OP? OP is focal length of a camera lens. Okay, I can write it OP as F divided by OO dash. So what is OO dash? That is H dash, right? This can also be written as F divided by the total length is H, total length minus HA. H minus HA will become H dash, this H dash. I am taking this whole length, I am subtracting this complete whole H by HA. This comes to be H minus HA. So this is the equation. Yeah, this scale can also be written it as image distance divided by object distance. A simple derivation, more number of problem will get. Either in the exam they may ask you to derivation, and either they may ask you to solve the problems. In some of the competitive examinations also they will ask how to find the scale. Okay, this is how the simple thing. This derivation is done for flat terrain. Next, in the case 2, we'll do the same thing for varying terrain. Looks so simple, right? But it is very important derivation. It is a direct question. It will be asked in the examination, and you can easily score a good marks. It is straight away asked. Yeah, if you want, you can pause the video, and the derivation is also written here. The same thing as written here. You can copy from here, or else it is fine. Both the things are same. Now let us move on to with varying terrain. Yeah, case 2 to find. So the only difference with case 1 is it is of varying terrain. Okay, in the case 1 we had saw flat terrain. This is case 2, that is varying terrain. So let us see, this is the point O. It is an exposed station surface. The same thing what we had learned over there. F is the focal length. Okay, yeah, F is the focal length, H is the flying height. Okay, H is the flying height, that is from the station, the height from the station point to the datum. This we had discussed in the part 1 of our video. See how we can tell it as a varying height, because see here the ground surface, the point A is over here, and here also this is a ground surface, this is point B. In the previous case what we had taken, the point A and B was in the same height, but here there is a level difference between the point A and point B, so we can call it as varying terrain. So what is A and B? A and B are the points on the ground at elevation HA and HB. This is small HA. Okay, this is HB. Then what about small a and b? Of course, you can know object points on the photoplane. So this is photoplane. Same concept here also. This is the ground. Okay, the ground is varying terrain. This is not straight. It is something like this, varying terrain. And this is the photoplane. The point, this is the station point from where I am going to take a photo. That photo is formed on this plane, which is called as photoplane. This is the point A and B. This is the focal length. This is the total flying height, and this is HA and HB. We are going to, since it is a varying height, we are going to get a two parameters, that is HA and HB. And this is absolutely, this is datum line. This is small p, which is photo principal point. Yes, and this is capital P. datum principal point. I'll just write PP. Fine. This is photo principal point, which is represented in terms of small p, and this is capital P. This is datum principal point. OA and OB, ground principal points for point A and B. So this is the ground surface, and this is the point where, which is called as photoplane, the point where the image is formed. This is the difference. Yeah, we'll start the derivation. Everything is same, only the extra parameter which is added here is HA and HB, and the varying point, that is ground surface. So of course, what is scale? Scale is equal to photo distance divided by image distance, right? Photo distance divided by image distance. So scale, I can take it as S is equal to AP divided by AOA. Okay, so this is photo distance, that is AP. I am writing it here. This is image distance, right? This is taken as OB, and this is OA. So O suffix A. Yeah, then same way we are applying similar triangle concept. Okay, for this complete thing we are applying similar triangle concept. By applying similar triangle concept, it comes to be OP, this, yeah, OP divided by OA, which is equal to AP, this is AP divided by OA. Okay, so this can be taken it as AP by AOA, this can be taken it as S, right? Okay, I'll just take it here. So this I am taking OP divided by OA, that is OA is this one and O is here, and this will be equal to, so what is OP? What is OP? From here to here, OP is F, right? F divided by H minus HA. The total height is H minus, if I deduct from the total height HA, I'll get this one, this height. That height is A, OA to O to OA. Okay, O to OA. So the scale is equal to F divided by capital H minus small h. So this is all about these two cases. Fine. From next part I am going to carry on with some of the numerical problems. This is a very easiest concept. So one more thing I want to tell you here is, we are going to give you a notes which is in PDF format. If in case if you want those notes, you please comment in the section below. Thank you and all. Bye bye.